Here we have a quick look at a new product from the Fiero store, the Fiero Power Mirror Switches. Visually, they are a dead-on reproduction of the original Switch. As you can see, all the markings are exactly the same. Haven't had a chance to put it in the car yet. As soon as I do, I will be performing a full review of the Switch to show you guys out there whether it's worth the price or not, which I visually looks like it is, because in case you didn't know, the exact same Switch is used in the Firebirds and the Camaros, but it doesn't have this housing with these mounting tabs on it. That is exclusive to the Fiero, and is the only reason you can't use a Firebird and Camaro Switch in the car unless you make some modifications. So this is just a quick look at it, so you guys can see that it looks dead on like the original Switch. And as soon as I install it in the car, I'll let you know if it operates the same. Alright, that's all for now. It's just coming to you with a little product update. Here we have the Fiero Store's reproduction mirror switch, which is an exact repro of the original Switch, which we can no longer get. And I've got nothing but good things to say about it. It works flawlessly. Here you go to your right side power mirror. You can see how quickly the mirror responds to the touch of a button. It's a very... Here's the left side. Very substantial feeling Switch. Feels better than the original. They did a fantastic job with this reproduction, and I recommend this one 100%. And while you're at it, you can pick up their power window switches, which also are great reproductions of the originals. So Fiero Store, I gotta give you a thumbs up on all of our power switches here. They operate and work great. Alright, that's it for now.